So I'm here today to announce that because of our efforts and the efforts of our sister states, Connecticut will force Purdue Pharma and the Sacklers to pay $6 billion for their role in the opioid and addiction crisis. This represents a 40% increase over the $4.3 billion settlement announced 6 months ago that I strongly objected to, that I appealed, and that Connecticut successfully overturned in court. But as a result of our negotiations and staying at the table and pushing really hard, we were able to force the Sacklers to give more than $1.6 billion more on top of the 4.3 to get us to a total recovery of $6 billion. As I said before, that's 40% more than where we were 6 months ago. The Sacklers will issue a fresh apology. The Sackler name will come down anywhere a university or a museum or a hospital wants it to come down. I expect that, based on the court's representations, that victims and survivors and families will have the chance to be heard in Judge Drain's courtroom. So the next step in the process will be for us to figure out how to establish the Connecticut Opioid Survivors Trust. It will be to get the opportunity for victims and survivors and their families to speak in court to the Sacklers and to force the Sacklers to listen. It will be to continue to support, to the extent that we can, any other law enforcement authorities in actions that they may take.